In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the geography feature in Microsoft Excel. First, open Excel 365 in your web browser. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your home screen. From here, create a new blank workbook, so we're starting fresh. Next, in a single column, type a list of locations. These can be countries, states, or provinces, or cities, whatever you plan to analyze. Keep it simple, one location per cell, and try to be consistent. For example, don't mix countries and cities in the same list, and double check spellings so Excel can recognize them correctly. Now highlight that list of cells. Head up to the ribbon and click the Data tab. In the Data Types group, choose Geography. You'll recognize it by the small map or globe icon. Excel will reach out to its online database and try to match each cell to a real-world place. When it finds a match, it converts your plain text into a linked geography data type. You'll see a tiny icon appear in each converted cell, which tells you the link worked. If Excel isn't sure what you meant, for example, there are multiple places with the same name, it will open a data selector pane, often indicated by a question mark. Use that panel to pick the correct match from the list of suggestions. If you don't see the right one, consider refining the text in the cell with a little more context, like adding a country or state. Then try the geography option again. Once your list is linked, click the map icon in any of those cells. This opens a card with rich, structured information about that location, things like country or region, population, area, and more. Choose the specific field you want to bring into your sheet. As soon as you select it, Excel will insert that data into the cell next to your original location. That's how you quickly add details without typing them manually. You can repeat that action to pull additional fields. Each selection will populate in the adjacent cell or add a new column to the right, building out your data set in a clean, organized way. If you apply geography to multiple locations, the same field will fill for all of them, keeping everything consistent across your list. That's it. Open Excel in your browser, make a simple list of places, convert them to the geography data type on the Data tab, resolve any ambiguities in the selector, and then use the map icon to insert exactly the fields you need. This approach gives you up-to-date structured geographic data with just a few clicks.